Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today we're gonna do another review, and this time is a hair review. So I got this hair from Wish, and this is how it came in. As you can see, it is 3 bundles with a closure. It is a 3-tone ombre. So this is the gift it came in with. And as you can see, the tip is a color 27, the middle part is a color 4, and the top part is a color 1B. Now this was so cheap, and it was too good to be true. It was about 45 euros, and I had to pay about 11 euros for shipping, and it came in within 3 days. So obviously you get what you paid for. As you can see, the hair is thin at the end, and if you can see, there is a lot of short hair in the middle side and in the upper part. Now I tried to weigh it, and as you can see, it is more than 100 gram. I would say it shed a little bit, and it feels soft though. So the bundles are all 22 inches, and the closure is a 20-inch. And this is the closure. As you can see, it's got some baby hair, and it's a 3-part closure. So I'm just gonna make it into a wig, and let's see how it comes out. Now I'm just gonna brush some of my foundation in the lace area to make it look a little bit natural. So this is what we have here, and as you can see, it's so big. I'm just gonna come in with some conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, to kind of tame it a little bit. I did come in with some dark pomade to let it lay down a little bit, because it was so big and puffy. So I came in with a brush and started brushing. As I was brushing, the hair was shedding a little bit. As you can see, it's a cheap hair, so you can't expect anything big. Honestly, I'm gonna say the bleaching was poorly done, and as you can see, the bleached part looks so thin. So as you can see, after brushing, this is what we have here, and I must say it's not the best of quality. If you should ask me if I would buy it again, the answer is no. I'm definitely not gonna buy this hair again. So this is how it looks at the back. I mean, it looks okay, but nothing special. And it's so long. Usually I don't do this kind of long hair. I would say this is kind of a cheap quality hair. So I tried to put it in a ponytail, and this is how it looks. I mean, it's cute though, it's just okay. One thing I must say is this hair does tangle a lot, and nobody wants to deal with tangling hair. So I decided to wet it up and let you guys see how it looks wet, and this is how it looks. So this is it. It's okay, it's cute, but it's not something I will get again. Honestly, I wasn't expecting anything big because of the price. It was just too good to be true. Okay guys, so this is it. Let me know what you think about this hair. If you want a cheap hair, you can go ahead and get it, but honestly, if you want something really good, be ready to spend just a little bit more. This is it's not the best. It's not the best. It's like I just threw my money away, because honestly, this hair, I'm not gonna wear this hair. I'm not gonna be using this hair. I don't like it one bit. It doesn't really look natural. It looks so fake. I mean, it's human hair. They say it's human hair, but it looks like good quality synthetic hair. Okay guys, so this is it. Let me know what you think about it. I hope you like this video, and if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.